Across Nigeria, thousands of female-led food processing businesses are working every day to produce safe, nutritious, and affordable food. However, they face several challenges that significantly impact their operations, primarily related to the processing equipment they require to operate efficiently. Imported equipment is expensive and often not suited to local operating realities, while locally made equipment still falls short of industrial standards. Many locally fabricated machines have poor sanitary design, weak components, and limited after-sales support. These gaps raise production costs and ultimately make nutritious food more expensive for consumers, especially the low-income consumers.
The Fabricators Training is an initiative under the Anthem project. And the Anthem project is a gender-responsive project that aims to solve some technical and operational barriers that the female-led food processing currently face. And to address this, it is important to connect with the key ecosystem players, which include the fabricators.
This training is part of the Advancing Nutrition Through Female-Led Food Processing Anthem implementation pathway to address the technical barriers faced by female-led food businesses. The program brings together fabricators from across 5 Anthem states, Oyo, Ogun, Lagos, Anambra, and Kaduna, to build their capacity, strengthen technical skills, and set a new benchmark for quality and innovation in local machine fabrication.
We want to talk about renewable energy, but we are specifically going to discuss about solar system.
For many fabricators, this training marks a turning point, an opportunity to innovate, collaborate, and scale solutions that directly help MSMEs and food processors across Nigeria.
Yeah, the experience has been fantastic because I have to hear from other fabricators as well. This expands my view, and especially the technology we are working on presently, solar dryer technology. I've heard about it, but I've not really worked with it before. But this just expands my view about the drying industry already, and it has been fantastic.
Women are more empathic by nature. Research shows that we have a higher managerial skill, and we can take our time to understand customers' pain points. With all this knowledge and skills, we can put this back into the finished products of fabrication of machines. This is what has helped me so far and given me an edge above other male colleagues.
This training is a pathway to innovation, strengthened local manufacturing, job creation, and sustainable growth. As participants return to their states equipped with new skills and standards, they carry with them the capacity to transform Nigeria's food processing sector and deliver reliable, affordable, and energy-efficient solutions for the future.